Violet, creative confidence. Violet is associated with creativity and imagination. It's about expressing yourself creatively and thinking outside the box. Indigo, intuitive confidence. Indigo represents intuition and restlessness. Confidence can be linked to ability to trust your instincts and make decisions with conviction. Blue, fresh confidence. Blue is associated with calmness and serenity. Being calm and composed can enhance your self-assurance. Confidence doesn't always mean being loud or cool. It can also involve maintaining inner peace. Green, growing and learning confidence. Green is associated with growth and renewal. Embracing new knowledge and experiences can help you grow in confidence. Yellow, positive confidence. Yellow is a bright and cheerful color, symbolizing happiness. Confidence can be linked to overall well-being and positivity. Smiling and being happy can boost your self-assurance. Adventurous confidence. Orange is a vibrant and adventurous color. It encourages you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace new experiences. Having confidence in trying new things can lead to personal growth. Red, self-confidence. Red is associated with confidence and self-assurance. It reminds you to believe in your abilities and have faith in yourself. Confidence is like the sun behind the clouds. Sometimes it's hidden, but it's always there, ready to shine through. Just as the sun re-emerges after the rain, confidence can reach a way, breaking through the clouds of doubt and uncertainty, like a rainbow of positivity. The sun is a symbol of joy and confidence. The sun reminds us there is something positive. These colors symbolically evoke various aspects of confidence, from creativity and intuition to calmness, growth, positivity, adventure, and self-belief. Rainbow! Celebrate rainbow! Rainbow, rainbow! Beautiful colors! Rainbow, rainbow! Celebrate rainbow! Rainbow, rainbow! So, what is confidence? Confidence is like a rainbow. Just like a rainbow's beautiful blend of colors, confidence in young ones should involve a mix of self-belief, positive experiences, and supportive environment. Nurturing confidence is like helping them discover the vibrant views within themselves, creating a foundation as colorful as this rainbow.